You know you will have $500,000 in your account when you retire. You want to be able to take monthly withdrawals from the account for a total of 30 years. Your retirement account earns 8% interest. How much will you be able to withdraw each month? So we have here a payout annuity. And the formula that we use for payout annuities is P naught equals D times 1 minus 1 plus R over N to the negative NT over R over N. So there's a lot of pieces in this formula, and there's a lot of piece of information given here in this problem. So let's go through and just identify each one. So first of all, the first number we come across is this $500,000, and that is what we are starting with, okay, in our account. So that's P naught. P naught equals $500,000. We want to be able to take monthly withdrawals. So the fact that we're looking at something happening monthly, that tells us that N is 12, because N represents how many times per year it's happening. Next, we want to do this for 30 years, and that is T. T is the length of time we want to be pulling money out of this account. So T equals 30. And then finally, the account earns 8% interest. And so that's our interest rate. And we write it as a decimal, so 0.08. Okay, so now we're going to take each of those and plug them into this formula wherever they go. So starting off with our P naught, we have $500,000 equals D, we don't know, that's what we'd like to find. So we just leave that, and then we have 1 minus 1 plus, and then R is 0.08 over N, which is 12. And we raise that to the negative N times T. And this is divided by the 0.08 over 12. Now at this point, we need to solve for D. So we're going to multiply both sides by this denominator here. So we have 500,000 times the 0.08 over 12. And then we need to divide by this big expression right here. 1 minus 1 plus 0.08 over 12 to the negative 12 times 30. And this is D. So this now we need to just plug into our calculator. So we have a fraction of 500,000 times 0.08 divided by 12. And then down here we have 1 minus 1 plus 0.08 over 12. And then we raise that to the negative 12 times 30. So there's our answer. And of course we are rounding this to the nearest cent because we're talking about money here. And so D is 3,668 and 82 cents. So this is the amount that we would be able to withdraw each month.